let me show you on this video how you can integrate Jotform Workflows with other tools. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate workflows with your favorite tools. So let's get started. This is my main workspace, and the first thing we need to do is select the workflow that we want to use for the integration. In this case, I'm going to use this one for testing purposes. Once we're here, we are located in the Workflows Builder. Now on the left, we have our elements. We got our basic elements, and there's a tab that says integrations. In this tab is where we're going to find all our favorite tools to connect our workflows for different purposes. Now in this case, you can go ahead and search for the workflow that is going to fit your needs, or just go ahead and scroll down here and find the workflow that you're going to need. Let me give you some quick examples. For example, if I select Google Drive, I can go ahead and drag it inside of my workflow and start completing the integration. Now, for example, if I go through the workflow, once I go through a certain step, I can connect my Google Drive in this case to send over files and store them over there. So that could be a quick use case. Or how about Zoom, like it's connected right here? I can create a meeting from the form that was filled out to kick off the workflow and automatically integrate to Zoom to create that meeting. Or how about other use cases like Mailchimp? How about sending those details to Mailchimp to add the contact to kick off your email marketing campaigns with the details that you grab inside of workflows. So there's several ways that you can integrate your workflows with your favorite tools. Just go ahead and select the one that you're going to need, kick it off in the workflow, and you'll be good to go. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform and integrate with your favorite tools here on Workflows. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.